Hi students, today in this video we go for essay writing and the topic of essay is health is wealth. Today in this situation that in the time of COVID-19 that we have to maintain, we have to be careful about our good health. So let's we start the essay. In this essay we consider about that how we maintain good health and what is the value and importance of good health. So let's start. And here is the first topic of introduction, that it is a topic of that which topic we write about. The proverb health is wealth is an axiomatic truth. Axiomatic means proved. ये एक सनातन सत्य है कि health is wealth. There is no doubt that health is the real wealth. There is no any doubt in this proverb. This proverb teaches us the importance of health. It gives us the importance of our health. When one is in a good physical and mental state, he can enjoy life and can lead a happy life. If one man is in good health, physical and mental good health, then he can enjoy the life very much and he can lead a happy life. So this is the main theme of this proverb, that health is wealth. And this is the next topic, that how to maintain good health. Means good health अगर हमें रखनी है तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए. One must maintain his health first. We have to maintain our health first. One must eat a balanced diet, eat fresh fruits and leafy green vegetables. So these are the necessary things for our good health, that balanced diet, fresh fruits and green vegetables. We must drink clean and pure water, take fresh air, exercise daily, take proper sunlight and maintain cleanliness to be healthy. These are the necessary things, that fresh air, exercise, proper sunlight and cleanliness is the prime necessity for good health. So these are the things that we can do to maintain our good health. And now we go for the next. And this is the next thing, that early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. If we go to bed early and if we rise at the morning early, then we became healthy, wealthy and wise. We became rich by health, by wealth and by wisdom. And proper rest is mandatory for good health. Mandatory means necessary. For good health, it is necessary to take proper rest. To be healthy, one must brush teeth twice in a day. This is the second thing, that we have to brush our teeth twice, mean 2 times in a day, if we maintain a good health. And wash hands before and after eating. After and before eating, we have to wash our hands. We should take bath daily in order to keep ourselves away from germs and diseases. If we want to remain far away from the germs and diseases, then we have to take bath daily. A morning walk is good for health. It is necessary to do walk in the morning for good health. So these are the things that we can do for our good health. And now we go for the next topic of this essay. And here is the next topic, that value and importance of health in life. In human life, that is very much importance of good health. Good health is the key to success and happiness. If we are good in health, if we are healthy, then we become success and we feel happiness. One being a good physical and mental state can enjoy the world to the utmost and can face the challenges of life with ease and comfort. When one being means, if person in a good physical and mental state, he can enjoy the world to the utmost, means to the utmost means very much, and can face the challenges. He can face any difficulties and any challenge in the life with ease and comfort, means very easily. He can face the challenges of life if he remain healthy. Physically and mentally he remain healthy. So this is the value and importance of health in life. And now we see the next paragraph. We cannot live happily without good health. Means without good health we cannot live very happily in the life. Good health reduces the level of stress and promotes activity. Good health reduces means our stress level can reduce by our good health, and it promotes to us that to do another activities. A healthy person is active and energetic to work effectively and productively. A healthy person is very energy. It is very energyful, and he can work very effectively and very productively. And now we go for the next topic. And here is the next topic, that importance of mental health. Our physical as well as mental health should be proper. To be healthy also include mental health. Means if we say that that man is healthy, then it also include that mental health of that man. But people do not consider mental disorders as an issue. People sometimes ignore the mental diseases. Psychological well-being is as equally important as physical well-being. Psychological means mental health is equally important to physical health as physical health. Therefore, one must be able to identify the signs regarding mental illness. If there is mental illness, if some mental problems are there, then we have to identify that those signs. Pay attention on mental illness and save people's life. Pay attention on that mental problems and cure them, and save people's means save human beings life. So we have to pay attention on the mental health also, not only physical health. And now we go for the last topic of this essay. And here is the last topic conclusion, that every essay ends with this topic. It is rightly said that to get rich, never risk your health. Means if we want to be rich, then we have do it, but never risk on our health. The first wealth is health. Our first wealth is health, so we have to give priority to our health, not wealth. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it is not. He who enjoys good health, he possesses good health, who is very rich, though he is not rich by money, but he is rich at by his health. So one must not run behind the wealth. So we have to not run behind the wealth. All other possessions are less than good health. All other possessions means all the powers are less than good health, not important as good health. And this is the last paragraph of this essay, that as Mahatma Gandhi quoted, here the one quote is given of Mahatma Gandhi, that health is the real wealth. Health means our good health is the real wealth for us, not gold and silver. Mahatma Gandhi said that we are not rich by gold and silver, but the health is our real wealth. Thus, a healthy person is a happy person. So, who possesses a good health is a very happy person, though he is not rich by wealth. So, I hope you understood the essay very, very well, and you have to add your sentences in this essay, and you have to add your topics in this essay. You have to write this essay in your notebook. Thank you.